If we look at pre-glacial records here certainly in the Edmonton area, one of the things that we find is that, yeah, there's definitely bison and a lot of bison here, but there is tons of horse. I actually think the pre-glacial landscapes here in Alberta were teeming with horses more so than they were bison. You know, we think of Western North America, those landscapes are characterized by bison. So when did that come to be? Well, after the ice leaves, we see horses come back for a little bit, but that is when bison explode on the landscape. Then bison take off and carry on through. So when we look at horses eat a lot of grass, but a lot of good stuff comes out the back end. They're not real efficient feeders. Animals like bison are ruminants. So they will eat food, they'll erp it back up, they'll chew it up some more and get more good stuff out of it before it goes out the back end. So the hypothesis was that essentially the physiology of bison allowed them to make better use of the changes in vegetation that had occurred, and in some form or fashion they outcompeted animals like horses and camels for resources, or they did better. I think it's an interesting hypothesis, but it's a really difficult one to test, right? So sometimes those are the best hypotheses, though, the ones that, you know, here's a great hypothesis, but there's no great way to test it.
Yeah, it's like it's as subtle as the digestive system. It's interesting.